This dish is sure to open your appetite. It's light, refreshing, and packed with flavor. It's perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal or for a light lunch on a hot summer day.
To start with, we need to boil some water. Once the water starts to boil, soak the rice vermicelli for 2 to 3 minutes. The amount you put is the amount you serve. Add about 3 tablespoons of the balsamic vinegar. Gently loosen it up like this. Remove the rice vermicelli and drain it from the water. The rice vermicelli should not be sticky. Cover with a plate and put aside to cool down for 10 minutes or so. Using the same water, drop in the clean shrimp. Again, the amount you put is the amount you serve. It depends on your generosity. Boil the shrimp on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the color turns to orange. Pay attention not to overcook the shrimps, otherwise they become hard and tasteless. This one piece of shrimp looks just perfect. Empty the rice vermicelli in a wide serving tray. Using a knife and a fork, cut and spread as you see in the video. Drain the shrimp from the water. Spread the shrimps evenly on the rice vermicelli. Of course, some spices are a must for this kind of recipe. Sprinkle some hot paprika on the top. Also, add some black pepper as well. Add some salt as desired. Now, we need to cut the bell peppers into smaller pieces. I use my mandolin slicer to get perfectly uniform slices. The mandolin slicer is very useful. for an unprofessional chef like me, who needs to cook quite often. I believe it is worth buying it, if you do not have the professional level knife skills. Please, be careful not to touch the blades while cutting. I do appreciate leaving a comment down below. Finally, we need to add about 200 milliliters of the Italian dressing. The Italian dressing is typically made with oil, vinegar, herbs, and spices. Don't forget that the dressing goes on only before serving. Enjoy the healthy salad.